Morning guys, my name's Brett with MarineMax Pompano Beach. I wanted to give you a quick overview of a new trade we just took in. This is a Sea Ray 250 SDX in black and Dune. Boat is pretty well loaded. You can see here in the back, I want you to be able to see all the space that you've got. It's got this awesome seat that moves around. It's got the black 250 Mercury V8 on the back. Tons of storage on this boat, as you can see here. Goes all the way up into the cockpit, which is wonderful. You can see this boat also has the Infiniti flooring, which is not in right now, but the boat does come with it. Another thing to notice, this awesome transom seat moves backwards. When you're hanging out on the transom, you've got all this space. But when you want to move to the inside, you've got that space now at your disposal here. Moving forward, you can see that the boat really opens up with these reversing seat backs. There's a bolstered helm seat here with the same seat back to give you just a ton of usable space to hang out and enjoy your time on the water. Looking at the helm, as mentioned, we've got a bolstered seat. There's a 7-inch Simrad digital dash on this boat, all digital throttle and shift from Mercury Smartcraft. Really cool design on this boat. Sea Ray has said, why don't we make the walk through to the port side to give us a lot of depth in the cabin. You can see there's a pump out head in there, great for kids, dogs, and just being able to store your stuff out of the rain. Moving forward, like I said, this port side walkthrough is great. Up in the bow, you've got a lot of beam that's carried forward by Sea Ray, so you're given a lot of space to really enjoy and kind of give you a separate social zone. Again, this is a 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX in black and the Dune Interior with the Bimini top. Boat just came in on trade, very well taken care of. Boat's got 152 hours, and it's available here at Pompano.